Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this model car, which is a Bburago model car in 1:4 to 24 scale. It is a McLaren model. I usually don't collect these model cars. I think I have one or none, I'm not sure. Maybe I have one from Welly brand in the same scale. But anyway, this one I bought it because a subscriber requested to make a tutorial about the procedures, so I bought this model car for that reason. But I thought we should do an unboxing and also a review before I make the tutorial. So let's get to it. So the bubble wrap is off and we are going to take a look, a closer look to the model. As you can see, it's the standard Bburago box. The model car is the McLaren 12C in a very nice white color. So let's get to it and unbox the model car. The box is the standard Bburago box, as we said before, and you open it from here like this. So now we have the model out of the box. It's the standard paper box, and we have to unscrew these two screws from here. So now we have released the model car from the base, and let's proceed with the review. Straight away I see the rear wheel with a weird angle, but this is maybe because of this rubber. So let's remove this rubber. So now I am removing the rubber from the back. It is a very tight fit. We have another in the front, and as you can see, the wheels are not getting better because of the rubber. The plastic bent, and now it stays there, so that's not cool. We have to fix that. Overall, the model car has very nice details. Looks amazing. You can feel the thickness of the metal. It is also a very heavy model car. The paint is like a white pearlescent paint. Very nice details also. You can see the grills are very nicely made. Underneath there's not a lot to see, just a flat surface. Very nice wheels, they don't steer easily, and the steering wheel moves along with the wheel, but not much. We don't have opening doors, and as far as I can see, you have this here that opens, that's a piece of plastic, and you see the engine here. The engine has very nice details. It opens and closes very easily. Also at the back it looks very realistic, as you can see. Very nice details. The spoiler feels like it's made from plastic, but I'm not sure. It looks like it's a separate piece from the body. Very nice details on the side. Mirrors are thick plastic, they don't move, that's nice. Very nice details on the windshield. And now we are going to open the hood. Hood opens like this. It has big space in the front, huge hinges, so it makes it very durable. The logo is nice, it closes very good. The spacing around is okay, especially in the sides is very good. And as for the interior, there are not many details. Basically in the area of the steering wheel you can see some details, and in the rest it's just black interior. It has some buttons and the location of the LCD screen in the center console, but nothing is very clear and nothing it has paint or stickers. But overall it is a very nice model car. I don't collect this. In general it looks very nice. So maybe I do some customization to it and then do a giveaway. That would be a nice idea. Maybe I do that. But anyway, I will let you know. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.